Yo, 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 what's up, what's up? It's time for another episode of Sleek Blaze Plays, and wait for it. Actually, I don't know. I did a few tests on the audio. I think, I don't want to jinx it, but this might be the first time in my entire career recording videos that my audio is good. Maybe. The game volume might be a little low, so I'm going to give it a little tweak. But let's jump into SleekCity and see how we're doing, guys. Here we go! Welcome back. So here we are, back in our city. Oh, what's going on? I heard something. Did you hear it? What was that noise? I don't know. Anywho. Unlocked. Oh, international airport now possible. Ooh. Anyways, so where we left off yesterday? What were we saving up for? Pump is running dry. Is it really? Is that showing the water? I think that's showing the water. Maybe you're just not treating enough sewage. 14.4. Oh yeah. This is taking out more than this is given. So we might actually need to have a pump somewhere. I don't want to put a pump anywhere. I don't like it. I don't like this idea. It's a temporary water pump. Where do you want to put it? It's fairly cheap. It's to alleviate the pressure. Let's put it there, just for now. They're not going to be happy about it though. Anywho, now that that's going, we want to work on, yes, more education stuff. We need a high school. 60 grand. Oh, come on, cheetah speed. Oh, totally missed it. There you go. Oh yeah, look. So many people just not getting to school. There you go. Now they're all getting to school. Sorry. I'm actually like extremely excited about this new audio setup. And I'm just like, please work so much. More medical problems. There's sick people everywhere. How many ambulances do I have? Just one. This had an ambulance. Just 10 grand. That's fine. There you go. Yay! We got an ambulance. Lots of health issues. More criminal stuff. Oh, what's that? Not really keeping up with the crime. Maybe add another patrol. Ask later. Okay. So let that do that thing. Pump is retreating. Sewage 15. Only doing 10. Water treated. Water under building. 46-month supply. Okay, there's a 46-month supply and it's telling me that it's running dry. Yeah, I don't think this. Shut up, water pump, you're drunk. Water pump running dry. And the ground under one of your water pumps is drying out. When the ground is dry, it will stop pumping water. We're overdoing the pollution, right? I don't think I can do it any faster. Maybe if I add another sewage pump, it'll be happy. That's 40 grand. It's a lot. Let's do it anyways. Okay. Okie dokie. This thing will probably be like this for a long time, but it's fine. We ain't running dry. It just thinks that it is. Look, like the supply keeps increasing. Let's check the water map. It's fine. It's all good. All good in the neighborhood. Oh, there's fire issues again. Small fires everywhere. Where? Show me. Oh, you guys need to stop being dumb. Come on, 60 grand. We need that 60 grand, man. Give it to me. Oh, look at that traffic jam. Oh, man. Oh, traffic jams everywhere. What's up with that? Maybe I need to do another road increase. Let's upgrade some roads. As high as it goes, man. As high as it goes. This one's all broken. I broke it. I'll spend lots of money on streets. Leave me alone. This one right here, I don't even go up anymore. As big as it goes, man. Oh well. Oh well. Look at all these problems. Fine. I'm not even worried. Look, what's the bulldoze? One rubble and one abandoned building. Ah, it's a junk house anyways. Ah, so is that. Oh, another abandoned building. Where's this other? Oh, oops. Look over here. Okie dokie. We need to add another park somewhere. I like to go with these plazas. What's this one? Large urban sculpture garden. Ooh. Let's go sports. Totally just changed my. Oh yeah, let's get some skate parks. Because today will be a skate themed day. I need to. There we go. Where do I want to put the skate park? Right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. That's done. And oh look, we got enough for our high school. Let's implement high school. It's really expensive. Ew. Okay, so we'll put high school right here. Yeah, look at. Oh, they're happy. Oh yeah, look at 600 and something students not enrolled. That is crazy. It's a lot of students. Lots and lots of students. Is this maxed out yet? Not quite. Oh, I got another upgrade. Yes. Woohoo! What does that upgrade do for me? Well, it probably lets me get one of these things. I don't think we really need any of them. Really? I can get the Simcopter one. I'm good. I'll pass. What's going on? Trade depot's working. It's my garbage sitch. 9. Oh yeah, garbage is. They're on top of garbage. Oh. There's other people collecting my garbage. This is my next big thing. Once I get this going majorly, this is where the money's at. Oh. Oh man. Oh, let's buy some power. Oh, let's get it from this. Turn that bad boy on. Turn it on. There you go. Is it on? Oh, where am I going? Go back. Check out my wind farm. Need to add another one of these big mothers. Maybe a couple. Maybe another one. I'm scared. Not approved. One more. Or maybe not. Oh, they're not even going yet. Oh, because it's all on slow speed. Burp. Oh, miners on power buildings. Come on. Oh yeah, look at that big bulb. That's probably from the solar farm. Yeah, let's turn that back off. Oh, it is off. Okay, good. Good. I don't need it. I don't want it. Look at all this stuff going down. Buses. Ooh. Townhouses. See this money, money, money. I'll do it. What do they want? Provide more jobs, provide more housing. Yeah, let's expand over here. Roads. I'm gonna mess around, man. Right to high density. It's probably really crooked right now, eh? Oh well. Let's add more commercial. Yep. Let's look at the, where's that density map? Density, oh yeah, see, commercials all wanting to increase. There's some houses that want to increase. It's all good. All good. I really don't know what it means, but let's just pretend that I do. Done. Yay, what do I get for that? Nothing. Just a check. Meh. So yeah, when you see that, I don't even know if this really works, but it's supposed to work. Just plant some forests. Just wherever you have space. You see right now, just rolling in the bank. Worried about crime. Yep, police here. Where's the police? They're right here. Fine. Let's add a patrol car lot. God. So demanding. Happy there. Yay, you got a patrol car lot. Oh. This is my house. Hey Mayor, we think you're doing such a great job running the show. If you can raise your approval rating even further, you might get a little present. Think you can take on the challenge? I'll do it. Get 75% approval rating. Have 40,000 residents. Mayor of the year. Oh yeah. We'll do it. We will do it. What's this? Where's the shopping in this town? Oh yeah, look at this. Like, block, block, block. Blocky, blocky. They're not happy over here, so I should give them a park. Let's give them a plaza. Oh, formal. Where's the amphitheater? This is like, ooh, man, this does so much for so many people. Putting it right up here. Oh yeah. Oh, look at, see. Oh yeah. So many people are happy. Where's my approval rating? I'm at 72 right now. Not bad. We got any more? Should we? Not today. Maybe another day. Maybe. Oh, the City Hall module available. Ooh, upgrade. Oh yeah. What? Let's check. Water's good. Sewage is good. Oh, I have enough. Or I totally went to the wrong thing. Where is it? It's man, I'm losing my. It's in the garbage. Let's recycling center. Right about there. Oh, hooey. It's just a recycling center. Relax. We gotta add a plastic slot, alloy, and plastic. Yes. And here we gotta add, where's the alloy reclamation line? There we go. That was expensive. Okay. And costly. I keep saying that my pump's running dry, but as you can see, I have excess. Not even worried. Look at that. Maybe I should add another pump. Not enough simoleons. Oh, I'm broke. How much are these pumps? Oh, 30 grand. Okay, no. I'm not adding another pump. Add another water tower. Doo doo doo. Doo 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 doo. Burr, burr, burr. There we go. Leave me alone. Should connect this and this with high density road like that. Yeah, there we go. Might alleviate the stress on this road. What are we doing? We're about halfway. So we'll just take a little breather from this and we'll do another Sleek Blaze watches movie segment. Something. I gotta come up with a better title. That's a working title. Yep. So this time, the movie that I watched was Grind. It's a skateboarding movie. I think late 90s, early 2000s. It's an okay movie. It's one of those like very specific, coming of age, little guy versus the world. I don't know how you want to explain it, but it's a good movie. It's funny. Good. I don't know. I like it. I watch it from time to time. I would recommend it if you like skateboarding. If you like feel-good movies, underdog stories. Favorite line from the movie? There's actually a whole little bit with Tom Green that's really good. I can't choose one line from that bit, but all of it is it's pretty funny. So yeah, I would say that, like I said, if you're into skateboard movies, watch it. If not, yeah, like feel good movies, go for it. That's pretty much all I had to say about that movie. Let's get back into what's going on in Sleek City. Well, it looks like 2 of our windmills are not working. We have 1 megawatt access. We're eventually going to get this, but not for a while. We're going back up. We'll just add another one of these big turbine things where we can. Something like that. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to spend too much on it. Alrighty then. And water, still saying that pump is running dry. 23 months supply. 23 months supply. 24. What about these? Are these guys just not pumping? Oh, they're pumping. It says we got like 29.3 access. This thing doesn't know what it's talking about. I'm not worried. I'm a little worried, but I'm not worried. No recyclables. So this takes a little time. So people have to learn about it first before they'll start recycling. How's the high school doing? Taught 8. Wow, it's full. Let's add a classroom. Gymnasium. Classrooms. Yeah, let's add a classroom. Yep. And now the next thing we want to do is another education thing. We want to throw in this community college up in this area here. Probably about here maybe? Yeah, it makes industrial people happy. Yep. I'm just watching this. I'm trying to make sure I stay above 5 grand for right now. 5 grand? Yeah, I don't want to get too carried away. We're already at 20. Oh, we were down. Population looks like it went down a bit. Might be because of this? This? I don't know. Well, maybe there's some rebel stuff. Let's check. I don't know that. Or health issues. That's too expensive. Treating 25 patients. Add another waiting room. And another ambulance. That should be good. Hopefully. Treating 27. Yeah. Should be good. Man, these people keep getting sick. Especially these people up here. Jerks. I'm supposed to get sick. Let's see how my land value is doing. This is pumping it, but it's not doing that great of a job. This is really restricting stuff. This, yeah, maybe I should let's park it up over here. Let's get a. I like these amphitheaters. Just how much they do. Maybe right by the water tower like this. Oh yeah, look at that. Whew. Oh yeah. That was insane. Oh yeah, I'll increase this little area here a bit. Yep. Yep. Oh, see, but my money went down again. So gotta watch out for that. Let's check out the density map. Oh yeah, look at likely to expand, A lot of these guys aren't really happy. I don't know why they're not too happy. Oh, Boelba. I'm teaching 600. That's teaching 600 and something students. Wow, that's crazy. How's my elementary doing? Teaching 101. How is my education overall? About 11 of 1500. Yep, that's cool. Still no recyclable people yet? Come on. Oh no, it's starting. Starting to go up. Here. I need to recycling delivery. This is where I go a little crazy, but I won't do that yet. I gotta go here. Manage global markets. Export. Export. For now. Right away we're gonna throw in a processor factory, and yeah, that'll kick it up a notch. Oh yeah, look, I got 105 grand. How much is that processor factory? 160. This is where the money is at. Last time I checked, processors were going for 101k. Yeah, per. Which is massive. Ooh. Some stuff to bulldoze. That's done. How much does it cost? 160. So yeah, just let that go for a bit. That probably be the end of this episode. Oh, yeah, I'm not paying attention. I'm drunk. I can't wait to hear the audio for this. You guys don't even know how excited I am for the audio in this video. Like, I don't even care if it's like left, right, right, left, whatever. If it's back and forth, up and down, as long as it's clear. If it's clear, the rest I can figure out by like strapping the mic to my face. I don't care. Yeah, if you want to know, I actually bought a new mic today. It isn't even anything special. It's just better than what I was using. And I went all out. I like downloaded a program, and then I realized it wasn't necessary. Like whatever program I was using, easy, easy, easy. So I'm going to put a road. Let's go to roads. Just like let's go medium density. I want my processor factory to be right here, like right beside this. Like this all needs to be together. Yeah. So I'm on my 155. We're almost there. Ooh, the excitement is killing me. Bam. Okay, let's plop this baby down. I gotta add another lot if I can. Should be able to add one. Nope. Limit is reached. What do I got? Alloy, plastic, raw, or freight. Which means that I need to add. Oh, I also need to do that too. I need to use plastic locally, use alloy locally. But I'm gonna need another trade depot here. Probably right there. Then add, where's my processor lot? There we go. Then manage, yeah, see, look at processors, 100 grand per thousand. Okay. Okay. There's gonna be lots of red flashing blobby blooby blah all over the place while this is going on. Just as it's building up. But as it starts going, you'll see it's insane. This, just all raw ore right now. Let's see. What's my garbage doing? Let's see. 501 of 734. I need them to stop collecting garbage. Should add my designated space. Nope. Bad road. Okay, that works. There you go. Okay. Okie dokie. Well, guys, now that we got the processor factory going down, it's going to start pumping. So what's going to happen is Cycling Center is going to send plastic and alloy to the processor factory. Processor factory makes processors, send it to this trade depot, which ships it out once an hour, depending how much is in there, for 100,000. And that will supplement my income, because every time I sell 1,000, that's free 100,000 for almost no, like, yeah, it's on top of this. But guys, until next time, peace.